The biomedical sciences major at ODU is directed towards students who are interested in microbiology, immunology, cytotechnology, lab research, or applying to a PA program or a genetics counseling program. And that is not an exhaustive list, but it gets you a general idea of who may be interested in this program. So jumping down to the bottom, here's your gen ed, same thing as before, nothing's changed here, but we'll start at the bottom of the first page with the departmental requirements. The first deviation is that in addition to taking the organic chemistry lecture, you also have to take the organic chemistry lab. And then moving over, you do not have the option to pick between oceanography or physics. In the biomedical sciences major, you have to take physics. And then we come up to the top. There's your general bio 1, general bio 2, that's the same. However, the core four courses that were previously ecology, evolution, cell biology, and genetics is a little bit different. So instead of ecology and evolution, those are replaced with A and P part 1 and 2. The upper division required courses, this was not on the general biology major. They were options, but they weren't required. So it's not additional coursework. And essentially those 30 credits on the other one is now just like 15 of those are being defined for you. So those classes are macromolecules or biochemistry, intro to immunology, microbiology, and immunological methods. Something to note here is if you do decide on doing the biochemistry route right there, there is an additional prerequisite class of organic 2 lecture. So if that's something you need for grad school or you want a chem minor, that would be an additional class to do biochemistry. So in the upper division biology elective area, instead of taking 30 credits like before, you only need to do 12, and that is to make up for some of the classes up here that are required. And you'll notice that the 300 and 400 level class options are not as broad as they were in the general biology major. Essentially, the ecological sciences part is taken out, and you only need 1 additional lab class, and you still need 1 writing intensive. But in the other one, you need to pick 3 from this big old list. This one, you only need to pick 1, and that is because up here, 2 of these classes that are required are already labs. So you're still doing 3 labs, it's just that you now only get to pick 1 of them. And again, the little stars here is what tells you if a class is a lab, and the things that have a W are considered writing intensive courses. So that is the biomedical sciences major in a nutshell. If you have any questions, be sure to write them down and to contact your academic advisor via email.